एक जो मर्दाना, एक जो हम कहते हैं कि दे आर वेरी मर्दाना पीपल, आर दे अंडर अटैक, यस और नो?
दे आर अंडर अटैक, दे आर। सारी फेमिनिस्ट उनके पीछे पड़ गई हैं, सारे वीक इनसिक्योर मैन उनके पीछे पड़ गए हैं।
So femininity is undervalued, yes or no?
Femininity is undervalued. Definitely it is.
Feminism help dating, agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Men today are more confused than women, true or false?
Absolutely true. Absolutely true.
Women are happier today, yes or no?
No.
They're not happy.
They're not happy.
Equality reduce desire, agree or disagree?
Equality reduces desire. Absolutely correct. Absolutely. Like I said, polarity, that opposites attract. There has to be one masculine, one feminine. चाहे कोई भी relationship हो, either or. So, yeah.
Men should lead a relationship.
Absolutely correct.
Emotional men are respected but not desired.
डिपेंड्स करता है इमोशंस कैसे उनके निकल रहे हैं. लाइक एक आप गुस्सा भी करते हो, आप नखरे भी करते हो, दोज आर ऑल्सो इमोशंस. बट अगर आप दिल की बातें करते हो, दैट्स ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी डिजायरेबल. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अट्रैक्टिव बिकॉज इंसान मेरे साथ वनरेबल हो रहा है एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट.
If it's so emotional about everything,
वो अलग बात है. एक्सेसिव थोड़ी अलग बात है. फिर तो आपने मेरा रोल ले लिया.
career success hurt women's dating options.
That is true. Because फिर the woman is so focused on what she's doing. वो and जो काम होता है, that makes a woman very masculine. Because femininity is all about what? कि आप you just sit and you receive. That's what femininity is. कि आपका ख्याल रखा जाए. You know? And I have a saying, I know we're still playing rapid fire, but आप जब एक औरत को देखते हैं with a मर्द, you know what a मर्द is like. If she's a strong woman, he's a weak man. He's an insecure man. That's why she's strong. That's why she's taken that role.
पर ये भी तो सोचता होगा ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा चैं करती है. Let her speak. I need.
But that's how it should be.
I need like peace.
That's how it should be. मर्द को ना, अगर औरत चाचा कर रही है, आपको बस चुप हो जाना चाहिए. आप सुन ले, ओके बोल दे, खत्म करें. That's how it should be. But आजकल आदमी they will argue back.
Oh God. Okay, dating app favor women?
No. I think dating app is an illusion. दोनों मर्द और औरत दोनों के लिए it's an illusion.
Social media ruined romance.
Correct.
Okay. Marriage is outdated.
I won't say that because end of the day हम जितना भी बोल लें कि ये femininity is outdated, marriage is outdated, chivalry is outdated, अंदर से हम सबको लगता है, we all feel it that we want it. हम बस बोलते नहीं हैं because we want to fit in the whole circle of what people are saying.
Okay. Modern dating rewards narcissism.
Correct. Because modern dating is all about कि लोग कैसे लग रहे हैं, how you're presenting yourself, and आपको कितनी attention मिल रही है, especially when it's on an app. There are hundreds and thousands of people liking your pictures, liking your profiles.
And there's filters.
Oh my God! And filters, वो तो शक्लें change हो जाती है लोगों की. I understand कि okay आपको skin में थोड़ी
smoothness चाहिए,
तो आपको smoothness चाहिए. पर लोग जब अपने features change करने लग जाते हैं through Facetune, face apps and God knows what not. That's a different thing. Then that's like a mental dysmorphia that you have with your own image.
Yeah.